In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add a to-do item within your project management tool. Whether you're new to project management or just looking to optimize your workflow, understanding how to efficiently manage tasks is crucial to ensuring everything runs smoothly. First things first, we're going to open up the project where you want to add your to-do. This is your starting point, the hub of all the action. Make sure you have your project dashboard handy so you can easily access everything you need. Navigating to the specific project ensures that you're about to organize tasks in the right place. Once you're in your project, it's time to move over to the To-Dos tool or tab, depending on how your interface is set up. This is where all the magic happens. Think of it like a dedicated space for all your tasks, neatly arranged and assembled in one spot. Now, if you haven't yet set up a to-do list in your project, this is your opportunity to do so. Creating a list is straightforward. Simply look for the New List button or something similar and click on it. You'll want to give this list a meaningful name, something that quickly reminds you of its purpose. This way, every time you revisit, you know exactly what tasks are grouped under that list. With your list ready, it's time to add a new to-do. You'll find an option to Add a To-Do or something similar in your tool. Clicking on this will allow you to start filling in the details of your new to-do item. It's here that the organization truly begins. For your to-do item, start by entering a title or name for the task. Be specific and clear. For example, instead of a simple Design, try Design Homepage Wireframe for precise clarity. Clear nomenclature will save time and reduce confusion later on. Next comes setting a due date. If your task needs to be completed within a specific time frame, go ahead and select the dates. It's like putting a tiny clock on the task, ensuring everyone knows when it needs to be done. Effective deadlines help keep the team on track. The next step is all about assigning the task. Here, you will choose a person or multiple people from the project members to take responsibility for the task. Assigning the right people is crucial, as it ensures accountability and forward progress. Once you've double-checked these details, it's time to save or confirm your changes. The to-do item will now be saved and readily visible in your list. As tasks get completed, the assignee or anyone with permission can easily mark them as done, ushering in a gratifying sense of accomplishment. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized to-do list in your project management tool, facilitating a smooth workflow and clear task management.